Hi, today I'm going to talk about a very simple yet very important thing. I have seen people calling Scrum as a method or as a methodology, and these are very senior people I have met in my, uh, you know, whole career, and I have seen that people call Scrum as a methodology. Some call it as a process, some call it as a system or anything. So some call it as a concept. uh, it is very important for you to understand what Scrum actually is. Scrum is not a methodology, Scrum is not a technique, Scrum is not a concept. Scrum is actually a framework. So please stop calling Scrum as a methodology. It is not a methodology. It is not a process, not a technique. Scrum is a framework. And what is actually a framework does? So a framework is basically a supporting structure. So Scrum acts as a supporting structure. Within this supporting structure, you can apply various processes and tools. So Scrum is basically a very beautiful lightweight framework using which you can turn agile, you can achieve agility. Now again, uh, in industry, I have seen various people, and surprisingly I have seen very senior people using agile and Scrum as synonymous terms. They say it is same, agile is same as Scrum. So, really, I want to break this myth. Agile and Scrum are not synonymous to each other. Actually, Agile is a methodology, and you can think it of an umbrella. So, Agile is an umbrella, it is a methodology, and within this umbrella, there are various different frameworks like Scrum, like Kanban, like Lean, like XP. So, these are various different frameworks that you can use to turn agile. So, agile is a methodology, and all these are frameworks. Scrum is a framework. So, please don't treat Scrum as synonymous to agile, and please stop calling it as a methodology. You really need to understand that Scrum is a framework, and it comes within the agile umbrella. It has its own set of rules, principles, values. So go and read Scrum Guide. It really defines Scrum very well. I have seen that people, look for Scrum training material here and there. They'll attend various trainings. They'll, read various articles online. They go here and there, but they do not read Scrum Guide. So, I would really like to request you that if you are someone who is learning about Scrum, if you are someone who is already employed as a Scrum Master, or you are someone who is a member of a Scrum team and you are, learning about Scrum, then rather than first going here and there, exploring the material of various websites, please go and read Scrum Guide. That should be your starting point to read about Scrum. It is a very concise, beautiful guide that gives you all the information you should be having about Scrum. And trust me, when you will be reading that guide, there will be various myths that will be breaking. You will be surprised, oh, I was doing it wrong. This is not how it's supposed to be. But the problem is that people don't read Scrum Guide. They'll go here and there and they'll follow wrong practices. So please read Scrum Guide. Please try to understand what Scrum is. Don't call it as a methodology or process or technique or blah blah blah. Call it as a framework, because it is really a framework, a very beautiful lightweight framework. And it is Very simple. Please do not complicate it. Go there, read about it, and try to apply it in the correct way. Thank you. Bye bye.